Winchester.
Winchester, just up the road. Are you confident that you can put, how many goals do you think past Sammy there?
I'm going for 7 today.
7, we'll see how you do. We've also got Martin here. Hello, Martin.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm not too bad.
What's your striking ability like?
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. We'll see how you do. And finally, our last competitor is a bit smaller. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Tom.
Tom, where have you come from?
Rownhams.
Do you think you can beat these two?
No.
We'll find out in a minute or two. We're going to start with the man in grey first of all. So, come this way. Stand by to get kicking. I've lost my whistle today, but we'll give you 30 seconds to get as many goals past Sammy the Saint as you can. Sammy, you ready? Excellent. Jake, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, good goal. Even if he did fall on his backside taking it. Wide of the marks, he's on 1, he's still on 1, you have to hit the target. He's at the post. Sammy with a save. Sammy again with a save. Yeah, on target would be good. Yes, a bit lower. Yes, this is going well. 1 so far. Still 1. That thing with white post is the goal.